Dominican Bachata Class number 5. If you haven't watched our previous classes, you can check them in cards. I wouldn't say that classes are getting, or steps are getting more difficult, but they are a bit different. But at the same time, we are basing our steps on ideas from previous classes. So if you haven't watched them before you continue with this class, we advise you to check the previous ones. Let's start. The first step we are going to do is the reverse step from the previous class. You remember in the episode 4 we did front, back, together, kick, boom, boom, front, back, together, kick, boom, boom. Now we'll reverse this step and we'll show you this and one more idea. Let's call it for the basic step. This could be danced instead of basic, yeah? Depending on what's the tempo in the music, what instruments are playing, and so on. Again, from copyrights reason, we are playing all the time over and over the same song. But if you want more Dominican Bachata, go to my Spotify and then you will find some playlists there. Okay. We start with the left leg and we go back. We'll go back with the left, front with the right, front with the left, kick, boom, boom. And now back, front, front, kick, boom, boom, 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 back, front, front, kick, boom, boom. And you notice probably, if you've done previous classes, that your feet start being a bit lighter and you are subconsciously adding this kick every single time. So it's a kum, 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 e, boom, 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 e, boom, boom. So it's not boom, 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 not heavy step, but feet are still like sliding slowly on the floor. Okay, so this is step number 1. Step number 2, very similar, but instead of going back, front, front, we'll go back, back, front. So with the left, back, right, back, left, front, e, boom, boom, back, back, 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 front, e, boom, boom, right, chick, 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 left, chick, 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 right, chick, chick, chick. Okay. So this is our step number 2. In this class, we will try to go through quite few. They are all simple. I mean, not all. Last is not simple, but so far so good. Next, we are playing with the rhythm in Dominican Bachata. So we'll use, again, cha-cha-cha part on 3 and 4 this time. So 1 and 2. So you remember, if you watch the previous class, we did cha-cha-cha on 2 and 3. Now we'll move it, shift it to 3 and 4. So 1, 2 will be front and back, front, back, and from here we continue with cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. And then we do the same with the right foot back. Right, left, cha-cha-cha, and left, right, cha-cha-cha, and right, left, cha-cha-cha, and left, right, cha-cha-cha, and right, left, cha-cha-cha, and left, right, cha-cha-cha, and right, left, cha-cha-cha, and kum, pa-ka, ping, 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 kum, pa-pa, king, boom, pa, pa, cha-cha-cha, and pa, pa, cha-cha, stop. Very often when you are listening to bachata, and if you have experience with cha-cha-cha, you know what to look for in the music, for what type of sounds. Quite often you'll hear the ch-ch-ch, like shuffling moment. Quite often it's played on guira, sometimes on maracas, depending on the instrument they are using, sometimes even on guitar. Cha-cha-cha part can be accented as well. And it can be accented in many different moments. Like if you danced Cuban version of cha-cha-cha or ballroom, you know that this this triple movement happens on 8 and 1, 4 and 5. In bachata, not necessarily. It can happen literally at any part of the phrase. So previous class we showed you cha-cha-cha on 2 and 3. This time we go on 3 and 4. So this is step number 3. Step number 4. Similar, but instead of cha-cha-cha, we'll do 2 taps. So we'll go front, back, tap and step. Oh, sorry, so it's not 2 taps, it's tap and step. So we're moving tap to the third beat and then step, and then we go with the right. Back, front, tap and step and front, back, tap and step and back, front, tap and step and front, back, tick and step and cum, cum, 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 tick and step, okay? Again, there are moments in the music when the beat gets heavier. Not like that with a lot of slow, small musical pieces coming close to each other in fast tempo, but instead it's going beat by beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for bachata it's kind of slow. And it's not super cool to do fast footwork in them. Yeah? Then is the moment to slow down. Very often in salsa, when we're dancing salsa, people are asking, what do you mean by slowing down the dance when we can't slow down or speed up because the tempo is the same? Yes, tempo is the same, but you can do a lot of fast things or you can do just very slow movements. So I'm staying still in the same groove. I'm just adjusting my body movement and in bachata, especially in bachata, feet movement, depending on what I hear in music. Again, because we play all the time the same song, we hear all the time the same. So it doesn't necessarily apply to the song we are playing. But in general, that's the rule. The last thing. We start with left out, right. Then we will slide behind, go with heel, go with toe. Okay, and what's the rhythm for that? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, cha-cha-cha on 3 and 4. But the previous actions are kind of meaningful as well. We stomp on the left, but this time we stomp, we don't tap. We stomp on the right, and then we release left, so it's already very light. We go behind, then we go with heel, toe. And then we do the same to the other direction. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, quite crazy. I'll go very, very slowly one more time with the feet position. So weight on the left, weight on the right, lift the left up. Place it down. Because we've done a lot of pachanga classes, I think it impacts us and we do it in a bit pachanga way. But you don't have to. Then we go with heel of the front one, toe of the front leg as well. And the same leg is starting second part. Open, hoop, ping, ping. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Basic, basic, basic. And 5, 6, 7. So, 5 different steps in this class. Quite a lot. We go back, front, front, back, front, front. And second, back, back, front. And back, back, front. That's the second one. Then cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. Now the same with slow down. 1, 2, tick and boom, and 5, 6, tick and boom, and 1, 2, tick and boom, and 5. And last one. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Everything with music. Okay, let's start with the basic to the side. 5, 6, 7. And now new basic back. The back, front, front, back, front, front. Back, front, front, y boom, boom, back, front. Y boom, boom, back, front. Y boom, boom, back, and 2 backs. The back, back, front, y boom, boom, back, front, y boom, boom, back, y boom, boom, back, front, y boom, boom, back, y boom, boom, back, and cha-cha, y boom, boom, 1, cha-cha-cha, 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 and slow down. Hop. 1, 2, stop, step, 1. Stop, step, and 2. tap, step, and tum. Tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, and last one. Open.
Lo más dulce que he probado, y es que es tan lindo el amor.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5,
Vaya haciendo con
7, 8.
sentimiento, mi
1, 2,
gente.
and 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, basic.
Cuando el amor nos
We didn't show this step, but very similar, like back, back, front, tap. You could go front, front, back, and tick. So it will be front, front, back, and tick, tick, front, and tick, tick,
Cuando el amor
and
nos
tick, tick,
llega,
and tick, tick.
nos llena
Basic.
de ilusiones y nos hace saltar.
So it is important to learn to maneuver with all these steps.
Y es tan bonito
And you don't have to finish the phrase. So you can go, for example, triangle, and then back, back, front. Triangle. I did triangle with cross. We didn't introduce that in any of the classes. You get the idea, I hope. Maybe we'll make a class when we show you how to mix these elements, yeah? Because one thing is to do them as separate steps, and second is to dance freely any different direction you want. Important is to stick to some idea. So where is your weight? For example, if I did, maybe I'll move back if I'm still in the camera, like 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. This gives me right leg free to continue whatever. For example, 1, 2, 3, king, king. Now I have left leg free, so I can go 1 and 2 and 3, e, boom, boom. Now I have right leg free, so I can go front, front, back, e, boom, boom. Now I have left free, so I can go triangle back, boom, boom, hop, e, boom, boom. And let's say I finish with turn, e, boom, boom. And you make a combination of all random steps that we've done, and that might be exciting. But to do that, you have to feel relatively fluent with them. And I think that's the next goal. So if you liked it, remember to like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. Leave us some comments if you would like. And see you in next episode. Bye-bye.